Hey there, my advanced algebra peeps. Thank you so much. You guys did a really good job on the homework that I assigned you last week. But there are two problems that a lot of you were missing or getting wrong, and I just wanted to go ahead and go through them with you. The first one was the one that looked like this: 17 plus y divided by y plus 32 plus y divided by y equals 100. Okay, if this looks weird to you, rewrite it so that it looks a little bit straighter. 17 plus y over y plus 32 plus y over y equals 100. Now, clearly here, guys, you should be able to tell that my least common denominator is y. So I have to multiply everything by y. Well, what happens here? That cancels out, so I end up with 17 plus y. That cancels out, so I ended up with plus 32 plus y equals 100 times y, which is 100y. Some of you are insisting on trying to not combine your like terms first. Always, always, always combine things that are like terms. I've got 17 plus 32, that is 49. I've got y plus y, that is 2y. 100y. Now I'm going to subtract my 2y from both sides. And I'm going to have 49 equals 98y. Now, I don't understand, just because this number is bigger than this number, why you're telling me that y equals 2. You've got to actually divide by 98. All right, so 49 over 98 is not 2. It is actually what? 1/2 equals y. And that's it. That's the list for that problem. Okay. The other problem that a lot of you had difficulty with was this one. The square root of 3 plus the square root of 15i times the square root of 3 minus the square root of 15i. Now, this is the problem that you guys didn't realize. Hey, these are conjugates of each other. Okay? So some of you multiplied it out by FOIL, which was fine, but you didn't see that the middle two terms disappear. Okay? Because they're conjugates, the middle two terms are going to disappear. Whatever I get here, which will be the square root of 45 times I, this is going to be negative square root of 45 times I. They cancel each other out. So just like we had to do in the problems that you were doing, will be doing for today, this being a conjugate makes life a lot easier. The square root of 3 times the square root of 3. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the square root of 9. Okay? Now we've got a minus sign because this is a positive times a negative. Again, I'm just doing the top front times the back. So the square root of 15 times the square root of 15 is the square root of 225. What is I times I, guys? Well, that's I squared. What's the square root of 9? Well, that's 3. What's the square root of 225? Well, that's 15. And what is I squared? Well, that's negative 1. So I've got 3 minus negative 15, or 3 plus 15, which is 18. So yeah, you get a whole number answer. How about that? But I'm really proud of you guys. Those are the only two problems that seem to give everybody a little bit of a difficulty. A couple of other things that happened were you're not checking for extraneous solutions on occasion. By the way, what can y not equal for this one? Well, obviously y cannot equal 0, and that's so 1/2 is fine. Anyway, guys, remember, a little short quiz online on Friday. Not Friday, sorry, Wednesday. And, you know, after that, you'll have a nice Easter break. Talk to you later.